In this video, we will discuss about overlays. We'll see the use case of this. Before that, I would like to cover what we have learned till now. So we learnt about common transformers, patches, inline versus file-based patching, and managing directories. So till now we were learning the features, like what customization tool can do for us, right? It has these set of properties which can help us in customizing our manifest files, right? Now we will use this complete knowledge, particularly this managing directories, all these knowledge to discuss about overlays. Okay, so based on all these discussions, what we can conclude is, so the customization tool can help us in configuring our source of truth repository based on environments, right? So we have dev, staging, and production environment. So for each environment we might be like needing a set of different configurations, right? So this customization tool can help us in doing that, especially the overlays part. So let's go ahead and see in our solution. I have created the structure, but I'll explain you in detail. This is my simple Nginx application which we are using from the start. If you see, I have this base directory and overlays directory. Okay, in base directory I have this deployment and service, two manifest files. Alright, so these two manifest files are the base for all environments. Okay, so these set of configurations will act like a base for all other environments. Okay, that's where we keep all these, like these will act as a template for all our remaining environments, dev, prod, and staging. Okay, now we have these our manifest files ready, which we want to deploy it for different environments, right? And here in this customization file, as we were seeing in our previous videos, I have referred it here. Okay, now our base templates are ready. Now let us go to the overlays. In overlays I have created dev, staging, and prod directories. In the dev directory I have created this customization.yaml file, and here in this one under resources I am referring the resources of the base. Okay, so when I refer like this, it will go and look for this customization.yaml file and it will load the resources which are placed here. So we are referring the base templates, and based on the dev environment we are doing patching. Okay, so in our base template, if we see in replicas, we have these 4 replicas. Okay, but in dev I just need only one replica of one. So based on this environment I am like updating configurations as per the needs of this environment. Okay, that is how it works. So that is one thing. Let us say there are we have deployment and service. Now let us say I need some config maps for my dev. Okay, let's say these are only for this dev environment. Then we do not, we do not need these config files to be there in base template. Okay, if we keep these config files, then it will be copied in every environment. So to overcome that, what we can do is we can keep it here in config, in this config map in this dev directory, and simply refer to config maps.yaml file here. So now this config map are localized for this environment now, and so on for other environments. Let's say here in prod I have like referred the base templates and I am patching as per this environment. Okay, and the same for staging. Okay, referring the base templates and patching as per this environment. Okay, now if you see, the power of this is like we are inheriting the global common templates, and also we are like able to keep localized configurations for each environment. Also I can like keep all the prod related configurations in here and refer to this customization, place all the reference in this customization. That way what happens is, let's say when we are deploying this application, and when we do it for dev, we specify the directory of this dev, then all the configurations which we mention here will be deployed to the dev environment, and so on for other environments. Okay, yeah, so I think that's it about the overlays. It help us in organizing our, first of all, solution, and organizing our configurations based on the needs of the environment. So it will not it will help us in getting rid of all the mess generally we keep in one directory, right? So maybe I can show you one sample here. In dev folder we have this one replica. Right now, let us say if I build of the dev, we got an error here. What it says, okay, we have removed this config map, so we should remove this config map. Okay, let me clear the window, and here it is. So the base is referring all the templates which are there here. That is one, our service file, service, and this is our deployment. So in our deployment we have patched it for one replica. That is where it has like updated that change, right? So in our original template we have 4, but here we added 1. So that's how the power of this base and overlays we have. We'll explore more on this topic in coming videos. So till then, thank you for your time. See you in next video.